There's Ziggy Gill. Watch her catch popcorn. Catches it in mid-air. Go on, Ziggy. Go on. Second one. Go on. Oh, missed that one. One more time, Ziggy. Alright, come on, Ziggy. Come on, Zig. Caught it in mid-air. One more time, Zig. Good girl. What a good girl.